In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make database with AI Notion. We'll walk through a simple workflow that turns a blank page into a structured database with the help of Notion's AI, so you can organize projects, content, clients, or anything else in minutes. Start by going to the Home section of your Notion workspace. This gives you a clean starting point and makes it easy to find what you create later. If you're already inside another page, use the sidebar to navigate back to Home. A quick tip, if your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the left edge to reveal it. Next, create a fresh canvas by selecting New Page. This opens a blank page where you'll decide what kind of content you want. You can give the page a name now, or leave it untitled and name it after the database is generated. Either approach works. If you don't immediately see New Page, scroll to the bottom of your sidebar. It's often located there. On the New Page, choose Database as your content type. This tells Notion you want a structured table instead of a regular document. Picking database sets you up with properties like text, numbers, dates, select menus, and more. Perfect for tracking and filtering information later. Now select Build with AI. This opens Notion's AI assistant for databases. It's designed to translate your intent into a working structure, saving you from manual setup. You'll see a prompt area where you describe what you want. Type a detailed prompt that explains the purpose of your database and the properties you need. Be specific. For example, mention the kind of items you'll track, the fields to include, and how you plan to use them. It helps to name property types, such as a date for deadlines, a select field for status with a few options, numbers for budgets or estimates, and text for notes. If you want AI to seed example entries, say how many sample rows to create. Clarity here improves the results, so think through your categories, typical workflows, and any labels or tags you consistently use. When your prompt looks good, click the blue button to generate. Notion AI will build the database based on your description and populate it according to your instructions. You'll see columns, property types, and any sample rows appear automatically. From there, you can explore the structure, verify it matches your intent, and you'll be ready to start adding real data. That's all it takes. Go to Home, create a new page, choose Database, select Build with AI, write a clear prompt, and click the blue button to generate. With this flow, you can spin up organized, consistent databases in a fraction of the usual time.